Our first campaign type we're looking at is Performance Max. It allows you to access all of Google's inventory, search, YouTube, display, discover, Google Maps, or Gmail and Maps, right? It's best for automated growth with a conversion focus. So trying to get leads, or they're used for shopping as well. The pro tip is you want to have high quality audience signals. You can put your customer list inside Google Ads and they'll find more customers like that. It works really well. It guides the AI. So it's a do-it-all powerhouse. People love it, but it works well with the foundations of Google, which is search. So we want to use it to optimize bids, budgets, and across every channel in real time, which is great. As I said, this is where your ads appear. It's best for automated growth, conversion focus, and multi-channel reach. Then we have Demand Gen. Now, Demand Gen is new and it did replace discovery ads. And it's a social type of engagement. So YouTube Shorts, Discover, Gmail supports video assets and flexible bidding. It's best for brand engagement and finding new audiences. And your ads appear on YouTube, the Discover feed, and Gmail. Captures attention in the discovery mindset. So people that don't know about you, it's like finding lookalike segments, which I think they got rid of. Then we have the search campaigns. And this is the foundation, the high intent foundation of Google Ads. This is what you should learn how to create first. It's high intent traffic. Your ads appear on Google. They can appear on the display network or the search partners network. You can turn that on and off. Best for direct sales leads, capturing users ready to buy, even though it's discovery. So targeting exact problems and solutions, I would try these. I haven't used Demand Gen much, but it is newer and we will be using it more. Then we have shopping campaigns. That's for e-commerce. It's an e-commerce essential. And you need to have the Merchant Center set up. There are some things in the Merchant Center that are challenging sometimes, but you can show up in the organic section of shopping as well. So you don't necessarily have to pay per ads if you have it set up. Now, we know it's best for e-commerce, high ROAS, return on ad spend, and often it delivers better than the text ads. I would want to use a shopping campaign first if it's e-commerce. So then we have video campaigns. We also can do a promotional video campaign, but we would use YouTube. The video campaigns are best for brand awareness, complex products, and retargeting. So you might use video ads for your retargeting. And then we have display campaigns, and this is an awareness builder. If you pair display campaigns with search campaigns, the search campaigns often do better. It's top of funnel awareness and retargeting. So you'd have an ad group for retargeting and an ad group for the top of funnel, right? And retargeting meaning people that have visited your site will show them ads again. Where it appears, millions of websites. So you do want to spend time trying to make sure you don't show up in certain places that you don't want. You don't want to show up on children's channels, right? Unless you're targeting the parents. So then we have app campaigns, which we don't usually do. They're best for mobile growth. And which should you choose? Now, this is the question, right? So this is what we tell people to start with. Start with search, bottom of the triangle here. And then we're going to add retargeting, display, or demand gen to bring back non-converters. And then we're going to scale with PMax. We have some frequently asked questions here, which are, what's the difference between Performance Max and Demand Gen? What is the difference? The difference is you're designed to capture conversions from Performance Max across all channels using automation. Demand Gen focuses specifically on visuals, social style engagement. And then you can run Performance Max with e-commerce, with the Merchant Center feed. It works for lead generation to local store visits You just need to provide high quality text, image assets, and video. You still want to have a search campaign, which covers the search inventory, allows you to target specific keywords, control your messaging, especially for branded terms or high priority services.